Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the mic and selecting it in System Sound Settings so Word can hear you clearly. Next, open Word and sign into Microsoft 365 if prompted. Make sure the insertion point blinks where you want text. Then click Home, choose Dictate, the microphone icon, or use your shortcut. Once activated, Word shows a status indicator. Speak naturally. Speaking punctuation allowed inserts marks, and pausing briefly lets Word catch up. So once dictation is running, pace your words and say punctuation like period or comma to shape sentences. This gives clearer output than stopping to type. If Word makes a mistake, say select then the phrase to replace it, or say undo and rephrase. These commands speed correction. Make sure online speech services are enabled to boost recognition accuracy, and select the correct language and accent so Word uses the right vocabulary and spelling patterns. To finish, stop Dictate so your text is fixed, then proofread or use Read Aloud to catch mistakes you can correct quickly. If recognition suddenly worsens, check the microphone position, remove background noise, and restart Word. These steps often restore performance. Make sure Office and audio drivers are updated, and if problems persist, toggle the online speech services or try a different microphone. One key troubleshooting tip: test the mic in system settings. If it fails there, Word cannot hear you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.